This practice will help you cultivate a greater sense of awareness of your body, relax your mind, and reconnect with the present moment. We'll begin from the feet and gradually move upward, ending with a gentle awareness of your entire body. Allow yourself this moment of stillness and care. Find a comfortable position, whether you are seated or lying down. If you are safe and supported to do so, allowing your eyes to gently close or soften the gaze, do what is most comfortable for you. Take a deep breath in through the nose and gently release with a sigh. Deep breath in and release. In deeply, out completely, and let go. Now guiding your attention to the soles of your feet, noticing any sensations in your toes, in your heels, noticing the surface beneath you, simply observing whatever shows up without any judgment or expectation. If there's tension, heaviness, warmth, or coolness, simply notice it and allow yourself to be fully present with these sensations. Gently shift your awareness to your ankles, feeling any points of contact, any sensations, whether subtle or strong. Now gently guiding your attention up to your lower legs, into your shins, and into your calves. What do you notice here? And now bringing your awareness to your knees, noticing any sensations around the front and the back, allowing yourself to be present with whatever arises. Slowly moving up and bringing your awareness to your thighs, feeling your thighs connect with gravity as they rest against the surface, noticing any sensations within the muscles here. And then gently guiding your focus to your hips and your pelvis, observing any tension, ease, or warmth. Shifting your focus to your lower back, noticing the contact with the surface beneath you, the natural curve of your spine, and then up to your abdomen, gently noticing the rise and fall with each breath. Allow your breath to be natural here. Gently guiding your focus to your upper back, feeling any sensations around your shoulder blades, bringing awareness to your chest, noticing the rhythm of your breath, the gentle rise and fall. Now guide your attention to your shoulders, allowing them to soften if they're holding any tension, and gently guiding your focus down through your arms, into your elbows, your forearms, your wrists, and into your hands. What sensations are present here in your palms, the back of your hands, your fingers, down to your fingertips? Gently bringing your awareness now to your neck, noticing any tension or ease here, flowing up through your head, scanning your jaw, relaxing the cheeks, your eyes, your forehead, your scalp, simply observing any sensations that arise. Now allowing your awareness to expand to your entire body, from the crown of your head to the tips of your toes, your whole body as one interconnected whole. Take a moment to feel a sense of presence, connection, and ease. And now take a few deep, full belly breaths, returning into this present moment, gently wiggling your toes and your fingers. And when you're ready, gently opening the eyes, greeting your sense of calm and awareness. Thank you for practicing with me today. Be well.